When people hear blockchain, they think cryptocurrency. But blockchain is bigger than Bitcoin. It's a tool for trust, especially in complex systems like the circular economy. Let's break down what blockchain is and how it helps close the loop. What is blockchain? At its core, a blockchain is a digital ledger. It records transactions in blocks, which are time-stamped, linked together chronologically, shared across a decentralized network, immutable, once entered can't be changed. Everyone sees the same version of the truth. No single party controls the data. That makes blockchain ideal for building trust between companies, consumers, and regulators, without needing a middleman. Why it matters for circularity. The circular economy is built on flows of materials, products, and responsibilities. But today, those flows are hard to trace. Where did this material come from? What's in it? How was it used, returned, or recycled? Can we trust the data? Blockchain makes these flows transparent. It creates a digital paper trail that's visible, verifiable, and tamper-proof. Key use cases. 1. Material passports. A material passport is a digital record of what's inside a product, down to the ingredients and components. Blockchain ensures the data is authentic, up-to-date, shared across the value chain. This helps recyclers, designers, and buyers make informed decisions and close the loop. 2. Proof of origin and authenticity. For recycled or ethical materials, blockchain proves where the input came from, how it was processed, that it meets certain standards. This is huge for compliance, certification, and brand trust. 3. Reverse logistics tracking. When a product is returned or reused, blockchain records. Condition upon return. Transport and repair data. Ownership changes. That helps with circular business models like leasing, sharing, or resale. 4. Circular credits and tokenization. Just like carbon credits, circular credits reward product take-back, material recovery. Designed for reuse. Blockchain can track and trade these credits, creating incentives to go circular. 5. Smart contracts. These are digital agreements that execute automatically when conditions are met. Example, a company only gets paid when recycled material meets a quality threshold. Smart contracts reduce friction and build trust, especially across borders or sectors. Real-world examples. Circularize uses blockchain to trace plastics, metals, and textiles. Everledger tracks ethical sourcing in jewelry and electronics. Plastic Bank uses blockchain to verify plastic collection and reward recyclers. iFixit and blockchain pilots explore repair data tracking across products. Challenges. Blockchain is not magic. It needs quality data at the input, interoperability between platforms, governance and access rules, energy efficiency. It's a tool, not a silver bullet. But when done right, it adds trust and traceability to every circular transaction. In a world where linear systems hide waste, blockchain shines a light. It shows us what's in our stuff, where it came from, where it's going. And that visibility, that's the foundation for circular confidence. This is the role of blockchain now, and in the loops to come.